Welcome February. I am at my parents' and I wanted to share, I've spent the past 2-3 hours, that's my dad talking to himself, I've spent the past 2-3 hours packing with my mom. She is leaving for Italy. She's going to be spending a month in Pisa. My uncle and my aunt are there, so she's going to be spending a month with them. It's about 15 degrees. It ranges, I was looking at the weather, between 10 and 15 degrees, and I'm helping her pack. And we're trying to pack her as minimally as possible, and I thought I would show you, because I know, I think you like packing videos. The last minimal packing video I did when I went to Italy and Greece with my mom went really well. So I thought I would show you the core garments that we chose for her and the kind of palette. It's going to be very messy and vloggy style, so I apologize for that, but I just thought this was, you know, I get a lot of questions about minimal packing, so, and I'm really proud of her palette. I like what we did here. So here we go. Okay, so the way I pack with my mom is we typically start with her airplane outfit, and that's because I feel like everything, including what you travel in, should be able to be repurposed. And we know she has laundry here, so, or at the place she's going in Pisa. So we've got a great, some of these items have to be washed. Oh gosh, and this is cat hair. So we've got just a simple black, this is 100% wool turtleneck, and a nice pair of, oh boy, and a nice pair of leggings. All black, yes, perhaps not the most exciting outfit, but all black always looks chic. And for color, we've added this beautiful scarf with a little bit of fringe detail, and with this, we've kind of built our color palette. So like we want to use the browns. She's ordered a pair of ankle Ugg boots online that are like a deep chestnut brown. So I thought that a scarf, you know, that incorporated some more warmer tones would be a nice way to keep her shoes in the mix and not look so awkward with all that black. Then she's got this great soft blazer, which I was not sure how it would look with the scarf, but I actually like this combo. I think the mix of colors and textures is great. So she's going to be wearing that ensemble on the plane with this cognac backpack that she bought in Italy. And I like how these browns mix, and you just have to imagine like a pair of chestnut brown ankle boots. So that's what she's going to wear on the plane. She has this... This coat doesn't really match our palette, but she purchased it beforehand. And honestly, it's outerwear. I think it's fine. It's a neutral. We don't have to be perfect. And I do think it still looks good with brown. And if she wants to wear the scarf with this, I think that's still a really nice color combination. So that's kind of the outerwear that she's going to be bringing for Pisa. The only other purse that she's going to bring, I'm not sure what these are. The only other purse that she's going to bring is this little faux leather crossbody, which is great because it's nice and small. So that is her purse scenario. And again, we chose the two browns so that they would tie into her shoes, because the rest of her palette, as you can see, well, it's mostly black and creams, and I didn't want the boots to look out of place. So here she's got this fabulous secondhand, oh, it's inside out, I think we just washed it. But anyway, this is 100% merino. It's a sweater dress, and it looks absolutely fabulous on her. So chic, so simple, and it's going to be so versatile. So she's bringing one dress, a patent leather belt, which can be used to cinch the scarf, the blazer on top of the dress, or on top of mostly on top of the dress, or she can just belt the dress on its own and give it a little bit of extra oomph. So aside from the black turtleneck that we have on the plane, she's going to be bringing 3 additional sweaters. So we've got this sweater here, just a nice merino camel crew, so we're sticking within our nice brown palette. Then we have this more heavy for casual. It's a nice crew. It's a bit of a thicker knit, but my mom and I are always cold, so I think this is a wise choice. As our one pop of color, she's got this red, beautiful merino crew, which looks fabulous with the scarf. See, there's a little bit of red in the scarf, so this will pull really, really nicely together. And the red will also look great with her black and white blazer. So I think we've made some good choices on the sweaters there. She has 4 sweaters, 3 of which are neutral, and 1 of which is a nice bright color. Remember, she's gone for a month. Now, for her bottoms, she's actually bringing 2 black bottoms, and I'm not upset about this. She's not a huge wearer of denim, so she's got a pair of like an ankle-length knit pant. This is almost like a legging, but my mom's got a great body, and I think she should wear these. I think they look great on her. And then she's got a more casual, faded, almost like a denim trouser that looks really nice on. Again, a nice tapered ankle, which I think is important because she's got the ankle booty, and they're actually quite beautiful, so she'll get to show them off. So 2 black bottoms plus her leggings on the plain, and then 1 more jacket, a nice long denim jacket here, which works beautifully with all of these colors. And again, to include another pop of color, we've got a smaller silk scarf. And I think this works beautifully with the red, the denim, and also with just any of her plain black pieces. So that's it. In total, as I mentioned, we have 4 sweaters, 3 pants if you count the pants the leggings that she's going to wear on the plane, 1 dress, 2 jackets, 2 scarves, 1 belt. She's going to bring 2 pairs of shoes, the brown bootie, which you can't see, and a pair of sneakers, runners, for when she walks. 1 long scarf, 2 purses, 2 bags, let's call them. And that's it. Yay, I'm really impressed with us. And then also my mom likes to work out, so she's got a bunch of workout gear as well, but I typically don't include that in my nice minimal packing palette. I just thought I'd show you this little colorway. I hope you like it. Yay! From apparently the world's largest or longest skating rink, something like that. I'm taking advantage of being back in the city, and I swapped my sneakers for skates. So it's like a Wednesday morning, fairly early, so there aren't a lot of people skating on the canal today. So I thought I would take advantage. The gentleman, I don't know if you saw, he was sitting on the bench taking off his skates. He probably is skating into work this morning. I'm going in the direction south, kind of away from the downtown core, but there's quite a lot of people, there's quite a few people who use the canal to skate to work. It's been like 4 kilometers with this wind in my face. Ugh. Oh God, it's like tundra. Look at that, tundra. This is where I live. I've turned around and the wind is at my back, thank goodness. But like I said, the sun is coming out, so the temperature's actually dropping as we continue through the day. I'm sorry, this is like vlog weather edition. I just felt like, as much as I dislike the cold, there are some really, really beautiful parts to it. And I thought I would share that with you. I have to show you this little cute little setup. Look at that. So on the weekends and things like that, the canal has these little rest stops where they have like little fires and you can buy hot chocolate and things like that, and it's a lot of fun. And there's also a festival called Winterlude, which just finished. I completely missed it. It's been a really busy month. I don't know what this February recap vlog is gonna look like because literally all I've been doing is working. trying to sort things out. But anyway, oh, the wind has changed. I hope you enjoyed this little skate with me. Good morning. I have meetings until about noon today, so that's kind of fun. One of them is a podcast recording. I always like doing those. My girlfriend Laura Kelly on her You Might Not Like It podcast, I was on there in her second episode, so I'm not sure if it'll be out by the time this vlog comes out, but if it is, I will link it down below. And then I have a bunch of writing to do for some clients in the afternoon, so that's what I'm going to go home and do, but I thought I would take you along with me. My first coffee date, Joelle. She's backlit right now. Joelle, I'm gonna get you to stand over here. Joelle is like one of the most intelligent people on the planet. She's an optometrist, but Joelle also has this incredible style. Look at her! And we were just talking about how, Joelle, what coat is this?
The eyewear.
It's the eyewear. It's always the eyewear.
100%
The eyewear, yeah. But Joelle has two practices now. Oh, okay, and it's like just it's a beautiful.
Massage.
Oh, it's
Like,
massage. Nice. We like massage. They're Canadian.
That's
I was just gonna say, I feel like we've seen Meghan Markle wearing this color combination before.
This is only happening because it's mild and not.
I know. We were both talking about how the coats we're wearing, and like we're both wearing them open, flowing in the wind because we don't have to wear parkas. Anyway, also look at these earrings. Love. Okay, we gotta be ready for our coffee meeting. And this bag that coordinates with the jacket.
All 100% locally sourced.
Yay! Today I'm headed into a photo shoot where I will be behind the camera. So I don't know if you're new to the channel or if you didn't know, part of the ways that I supplement my income is by working on commercial sets. So doing wardrobe for models. I work sometimes with TV shows doing, cooking shows, dressing the hosts, that kind of thing. So I don't do individual wardrobe or dressing people in the sense like with private clients. Instead I do it for companies that need visuals and marketing material and stuff. So when I say wardrobe and commercial shoots, that's what I mean. So that's what we're heading into today. It's very rare that I start these things in the afternoon, but I thought I just had to share the most gorgeous winter day we're having. There's no wind. Sorry, I'm Canadian. I feel like we talk about the weather. It's a gorgeous 4 degrees. We have a lot of snow, but like I cannot believe this day. So I worked this morning. I saw a couple of people work-wise, and then I had to get out. I'm so tired, but I had to get out for a run because it's just, as my mother would say, it would be a sin to not get outside on such a gorgeous day as this. And so I thought, as we walk together, I thought I would just take a quick second because on one of my last videos, another one of the Shop My Closet videos, I got a lot of comments and questions, and even like I've been getting a bunch of DMs about what my background is and where this like analysis comes from. And so, especially since I think there are a lot of new people here since I did my very first get to know me video, like when I first started the channel like 2 years ago. So by background, I'm actually my formal education is finance. So I think that's where the analytical part comes in, and I can't help but apply that to clothing. So hopefully it's not too boring. But yes, my formal education is that. And I actually worked in banking as an underwriter, and then I also did a quick stint as a risk analyst as well for about 3 years after I graduated university. So I think that's where, and like everyone in my family for the most part are like either scientists or engineers or doctors or lawyers. Like they're all very intelligent. I don't know what happened to me. I hope that kind of helps, and I hope you get a glimpse of this gorgeous, gorgeous February day. Okay, hey, a lot of you I think are watching from the southern hemisphere. Well, maybe not a lot of you, but anyway. Here we are having a major snowstorm, so this is what it looks like. End of Feb. Instead of springtime, this is what we get. Although, like I said, the weather has been fabulous. But anyway, I'm supposed to cook tonight. And I was about to go get some arborio rice at the grocery store, but that's my car right there that is stuck. This is a very common Canadian problem. I have my shovel and I have to shovel myself out. So there we go. Here comes Dad, my hero, to help me shovel out my car.